don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by Easy Pets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mackenzie 1. I'm joined by Uchaman Ngobo.
Sithibe kunjani awuthaba?
Angiyaphila she.
Sharp awuthaba.
Sure she.
Yeah, ithi ngicale ngale bottle liphethwe lo sisi.
Yeah.
Yeah, we yithi compose le ngoma.
Song of the year.
Yeah.
Ichiefs ayingenanga kuThope.
Yeah, but
Other members
but ke Sithibo thina besiyenza song of the week. Yeah, izangayi general. Yeah, besiyenza song of the week.
Sharp.
Yeah, ngidlulile lapho. Sithibo, namhlanje ngeke ngikhulume kakhulu ngegame ngizokuvalela isizini.
Sure.
Yeah. Ipakane we the great season awuthaba. Great season, although ama plans wethu angahambanga the way beswafuna ngakhona. Yeah, besini ama aims wethu were high. But uyabona uthami if you aim high, even if you fall, aweli phansi kakhulu. That's why ngizosho ngithi in terms of development, it's developing. We are ready, Sithibo. The last 4 games kancikazi bese just sidlalela i-batch and checking for next season ukuthi ilokhuzana 11 ethu next season ime kanjani. And we had ama injuries abhaya sikhawathile during the season awuthami. I was happy today ukubona uLibitso ateke ibhola, ngibona uSisana ateke ibhola. That tells me ukuthi ama player wami Sithibo ayabuya for next season. And manje ngisayophumula ku break. You understand? Ngizothola i-recovery nyana ukuthi ama player amabuye. You understand awuthami? And then enye into engizokutshela yona ngangadlali Sithibo mangithi kuwe njengoba amaGrootman bewangekha asaye eAfrica ngangishiya abantu ukuthi bagade umzansi. Ngangikhuluma ngelokhuzana abahlabanuku. Yeah, ngangikhuluma ngabo Sithibo benginalaba abafana labayana Saturday. Abo makhawula. Yeah, isikhukhuni. Benginabo on Saturday. Abo dash. Ne? Abo dash awuthami. Ne? Uyababona laba abafana labayana ukuthi they were aiming high. Bebafuna ukuya ku CAF Confederation Cup. You understand? That was their aim. Unfortunately abafikanga ngama last minute and inhliziyo zabo bezisiyera awuthami. Yazi dayo nto ingiboniseni ukuthi into ma uyifuna awuthami zimisela ukuthi uyayifuna. You understand? Then emva kwalapho ngaba nenhlanhla ukuhlangana noNabi himself. Ne? And I asked uNabi, ne? Because of mina mfethu ngumlandeli webhola. Yeah, ngumlandeli webhola ku social media ungangithuka lewe ngithuka khonhliza mfuthi langa. Angisheshi ngiphela umoya. Yabona? Ngizokutshela nangalezi social media futhi ezingafani nathi esize stadium after la. You know uNabi is very confused. You know uconfused wayini. uNabi mfana is clear. uNabi when he was hired ku Kaizer Chiefs. Bamimtshelile leadership ye Kaizer Chiefs. Yathi ifuna ama cup. Ifuna buyise iChiefs la ayikhona before. But now is confused because some supporters are khona azokutshela ukuthi asifundi top 8. Now yena is confused ukuthi is confused ukuthi when it comes to supporters bathinta abayifuni. But two coaches aiming high to get that. But Sithibo yangazi ke mina angithandi. Yeah, mina no. Into engikutshela yona. bazokutshela ukuthi bona bane true love ye Vodacom wayemele bayodlalela MTN. You understand? But Steve uyangazi angithandi ukuthasha kakhulu kwezasema next door. Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi abomakhelwane namanje abalalanga. Mina njengeGrootman labo ngabatshela ukuthi ngizohlala ngibenzele ifavor. Ngizamile awuthama. Ngizamile awuthama. Namanje ngabe ngibadlisa idust ngabe ngiyeke imagesi yangigwaza baya ku 11. But manje angifuni la idea. Yabo phela wazi ukuthi mawuya ku 11 kunama randi nyana ehlayo from 9 to yabo and the super sport says imagesi kuba igwaze mina iArrows yagwaza iSuper Sport bebahlala ku 11 cabanga team enkulu kanje izodlalela u11 but asiphume la awuthama bese ke singena la ku social media kancane awuthi sibadlisa awuthama yabona le awuthi lezi ezingalandeli ibhola ezingezi estadium ezikhomenta kuphela zingizwisa ubuhlungu mazithuka bomama ngempahla yangaphansi uyanderstanda ngifuna ukutshela into ye social media idinga ukutshela awuthama idinga ukutshela abantu nase TV abalibukeli bathenga nje idatha la emakuleni bathi asobangena ntambama you understand awuthama and the way bathuka ngakhona sometimes aba respect bathuka nama time amadala kunale time leli lincanywa social media lase KZN babo mdala ka baba kaTito lothanda ukuthi uTito entwana yami you understand mfethu ngike ngabona abamhlaba ngezinye inhlamba o social media yazini angeke ngikhona kuyibiza mfethu ngumntwana esonto ngangiboni ngize stadium inzima yebo inzima so bengisho ukuthi bafethu asirespecteni nabantu abadala you understand yabona thina Thibo manje sihamba siyophumula uthama we so lucky ukuthi no chairman ngifunazi so attendile wonke ama game eBhakania nabo King General silandela iPirate iphumile out of the country sagijima nayo sayilandela isemzansi sagijima nayo Thibo awuthami ngithi mina manje angishaya isithupha and isithupha ngeke ngishaye mfethu mina ngumuntu ophansi but ama game ePirate swathike wona lokho thina kithi kube achievement ukuthi we managed to attend wonke ama game never even lose one game Thibo back to back Polokwane KZN ngaphandle kwetra everywhere there was a time license khona ihistory yokuthi silandele iBhakania lidlala eCape Town lidlala eDurban lidlala ePE in 1 week kuyigame ya Wednesday kuyigame ya Saturday kwabuya kwaba negame ya Tuesday kwakhosa ukuthi sihambe neBhakania singabuye emakhaya Thibo sineyincusi awuthama incusi zethu they miss us masingekho but you know why senza kanjalo it's because of we love Orlando Pirates bekune plantaring we know ukuthi ama teams aplantarana if isizini isaqala leyo ilokhuzana indlela esikhulisana ngayo sama teams Thibo thina sibheke next season awuthama sizobuya siphelele sobuya simnandi sokhichima mfethu so ngithi kuwo wonke ama team oyi16 awuthami azibambe siqine bese ngicongratulate zonke ezikhonile ukuachieve 128 nama fans wonke as a whole ngiyawabonga bese ngibonga uRivero umanagile to bring all Orlando Pirates supporters back to the stadium bese ngasa attend the stadium uRivero was chintshisa language azange sathi sama happy people sathini sathi we remain humble that's Rivero because he was so humble wafundisa nathi ukuthi sibe humble we understand awuthami umzomnyama once and always awuthami
thank you
Thibo bese ke ngivala ngawo bese ngivala ngawo awuthiyami bese ngivala Sithibo bese ngivala ngawo ngizobe ngekho fair awuthiyami ukukongratulate. I know you when you are still a junior uqala ngama fans wethu. Sithibo was the luckiest guy to be interviewed by you first person evets sisadlalele evets. I was the first ngikhumbula ungitshela ukuthi ayizoba ku YouTube ini Sithibo usayi explainer before iqala. Bona namhlanje mfethu kuphi mfethu ngithi uzibambe ziqina ungayeki Sithibo angeke uphelele la kukude la yakhona uthanda yakho yonke ezehu.